Mom, this Sunday is so boring.
What's wrong, sweetie?
My toys are boring. My cars are boring. Everything is boring.
No school today. No friends to play with.
Just nothing to do.
That sounds serious.
I have something for you.
What is it? A mission.
A mission? A mission?
Really?
Did someone say mission?
Yes. Look at this.
Oh, a little tree. This baby tree needs a home. A home?
Yes. It needs soil and sun.
And love.
Will you help me plant it?
I want to help.
Super Gardener is here.
Dad, you're funny. Let's go to the park together. Mom, why do we plant trees?
That's a good question. Why are trees important?
I don't know. Tell me.
Trees are superheroes.
Superheroes? Like in my comic?
Now breathe out.
Fresh air. Thank you, Mr. Tree.
The air feels nice here.
Trees make fresh air. It's called oxygen.
Huh? Oxygen?
We need it to live.
And look up there.
Shade. It's cooler here.
Trees give us shade on hot days.
And look, a bird.
Birds live in trees, too.
Trees are homes for animals.
So trees give us air, shade, and homes?
Exactly. Trees are amazing.
Let's plant our tree here.
This spot looks perfect.
Good choice, Tom.
The soil is hard.
Can you dig it, Dad?
Don't worry, kids. Watch your dad.
Dad! You have dirt on your nose.
Oh, my.
Look at you. Dad, you're so funny.
Let me help you.
Okay.
Wait, something is moving.
Where?
In the hole. Is it a snake?
Don't be scared. Look closely.
What is it?
Come on.
It's an earthworm.
Ew! It looks slimy.
No. He's a friend.
A friend?
Oh, what?
The worm is a tiny gardener.
He makes tunnels in the soil.
Why? Why?
This helps water reach the tree's roots. Oh,
Oh, that's helpful.
Hello, Mr. Worm. Please help our tree grow.
Thank you, Mr. Worm.
now be gentle with the tree.
Roots are like feet.
Feet?
Vi take Dorvani.
They drink water from the soil.
Let's give it some water.
Drink some water, baby tree.
Perfect, Tom.
Mom, look at it. It's so small.
Patience, Tom. Trees grow slowly.
But they become very strong.
Just like you. Every day, a little bit.
I grow every day, too.
That's right.
But Mom, the park is so big.
Yes, it is. Will we forget our tree?
Good question.
Don't worry. I have a surprise.
A surprise?
What is it? Let's give our tree a name.
A name?
I love that idea.
Oh, what should we call it?
Let me think. Take your time. I know! The happy tree.
The happy tree? I love it.
Perfect name, Tom.
Because we are happy today. We really are.
Grow fast, happy tree.
Grow big and strong.
Good job, team. We did it.
High five, everyone.
Yeah!
We had a great day.
Oh, the best Sunday ever.
Let's come back and visit soon.
Yes. I want to see Happy Tree grow.
We will, son. We will.